Victor Hugo was a French novelist. Which of the following is a story in verse? সেটা হলো ballad. Which of the following is a story in verse? সেটা হলো ballad. Phoenix is a mythical bird regenerating from ashes. Socrates believed that an angry man was equal to a beast. Which one of the following is not true for Socrates' wife? সেটা হলো she did not insult Socrates. Captive lady কার রচনা? মাইকেল মধুসূদন দত্ত. After thunder comes rain. Here thunder means the loud and angry scolding of Socrates' wife. A mournful poem written on death of someone loved and lost. সেটা হলো elegy. Nasim Ezekiel is a famous poet for India. Kazi Nazrul Islam is a rebel poet. King Lear banished his youngest daughter Cordelia from his kingdom, but in the day she became her only shelter. তো এটা হবে irony. King Lear banished his youngest daughter Cordelia from his kingdom, মানে তার রাজ্য থেকে বের করে দিয়েছিল, but in the end she became her only shelter. কিন্তু পরিশেষে দেখা যায় সেই মেয়েটি কিং লেয়ারকে কি করেছিল? আশ্রয় দিয়েছিল। তো দিস ইজ অ্যান এক্সাম্পল অফ আইরনি। এটাকে বলা হয় আইরনির উদাহরণ। When a poem has a speaker, what does a novel have? A narrator. Narrator. Rabindranath Tagore won Nobel Prize for writing Gitanjali, poetry, প্লেস তো হবে না, নভেলসও হবে না, এটা হবে সি। হ্যারি পটার অ্যান্ড দ্য হাফ ব্লাড প্রিন্স, জে কে রোলিং। দ্য হাংরি জাজ soon the sentence sign and witnesses hang that jurymen may dine. This is example of a satire. Who wrote the book The Kite Runner? Khaled Hossain. Things Fall Apart was written by Chunia Asibi. Homer Iliad is epic, একটি মহাকাব্য. Satanic Verses is written by Salam Rushdie. Mending Wall, Robert Frost. What is the silent future of all literature? Artistic quality. Who is well known for his translation of Rubaiyat of Omar Khayyam into English? Edward Fitzgerald, Gerald. Edward Fitzgerald, author of the picture of Dorian Gray. Oscar Wilde. A famous short story of Maupassant is The Diamond Necklace. of Alexander the Great, Aristotle, Guy the Maupassant, this famous short story writer হলো France. Brickland is written by Monica Ali. Alias in the Wonderland belongs to juvenile literature. Of the following, who is the most translated author of the world? V.I. Lenin, who wrote the book Lord Jim Attell, Joseph Conrad, who is the writer of the critical work Aspects of Novel, সেটা হলো Edward Morgan Foster, who is the only laureate of refused the Nobel Prize, সেটা হলো Jean-Paul Sartre. দ্য অ্যাফ্লুয়েন্ট সোসাইটি বইটির লেখক কে? জে কে গালব্রেথ। জর্জ ইলিয়টের প্রকৃত নাম কি? মার্লি অ্যানি ইভান্স। দ্য নোবেল রুটস ওয়াজ রিটেন বাই অ্যালেক্স হ্যালি। হু ইজ দ্য অথর অফ দ্য স্পিরিট অফ ইসলাম? সৈয়দ আমির আলী। হোয়াইট হেডের সুবিখ্যাত পুস্তকটির নাম কি? দ্য এইম অফ এডুকেশন লর্না ডন ইজ এ নভেল ব্ল্যাকমোর। What is the limerick? A form of light verse. Debut means হলো first appearance. Debut means first appearance. এটা গেল। তারপর some who writes a play is called a playwright. A work which has a meaning behind the surface meaning is an allegory. The sentence death thou shalt not die is example of paradox. Writing one's own life story is known as autobiography. When a person writes the story of his own life, it is called an autobiography. তারপরে হচ্ছে protagonist indicates the leading character or actor in play. What is sonnet? A poem 14 lines. A sonnet is a poem having 14 lines. 14. What is the linguistic? এটা আসতে পারে linguistics, যে the scientific study of language. Elegy শব্দ মানে elegy অর্থ কি? Song of lamentation. Song of lamentation. What is an epic? Epic হলো a long poem. What is the meaning of the word dirge? Dirge. এটা হবে হলো a song verse telling about an adventure. তারপরে হলো what is the meaning of the word if euphemism? এটা হবে inoffensive expression. If part of speech or writing breaks, the theme is called digressions. What is catastrophe? সেটা হবে the tragic end of dramatic events. Allegorical means having symbolic meanings. Which one is the metaphor? Metaphor হলো he is the short of the family. He is the short of the family. Metaphor